So to open this thing, it's very simple. You just need to pull on it. You can use trim tools. I don't have any. This key is supposed to pop up. It's another clip, but here we go. It's just clipped like that. Oh, sorry about that. You need to disconnect the information center. We'll disconnect the radio so it won't be in our way. There we go. So now I need to remove all these things. I have the factory unit here. This is the extension for the antenna. That's a good thing when you replace a head unit, to always keep the original one. So if anything happen, you decide to sell the car or anything happen, you still can reinstall the factory unit and keep your good aftermarket unit for another vehicle. So you're not stuck with a hole in the middle of the dash, and the second owner or whatever what happened will still have a functional radio. But now I will just disconnect all of it. Not here. So this is it for the adapter. So as you can see, it's way easier and faster to reinstall the factory unit than install aftermarket. I just have the antenna to connect and both connection of the car, and it's a done deal. Those cables are pretty short. Would be easier if I put the car on manual, but this way. Stay there. So I will screw it right away. We'll move. Now, before closing everything, we will make sure I will make sure the head unit is working properly. It's supposed to, but we'll see. Steering control working. Channels working. Bands working. Mute. So it's working. And this, so everything's working well. Ready to put the trim back. Don't forget to connect the center, the information center. You're making the cable so short. And to install it back, just push like it doesn't want to go in. Yeah, there we go. And there we go. I'm back with the factory unit. So this is how you put it back. So, and as you saw, it's way easier to reinstall the factory unit than install an aftermarket one.